Hey guys, Shraddha here. So we all used to maintain pages on LinkedIn. So I run this company, Scale of Marketing Solutions. So we provide digital marketing services or all possible online marketing services. So sometimes what happen is, suppose we are removing some people from our admin list. So now if we are looking to add somebody else, or if we are going to manage those work by ourselves, right? So what will happen if that person has been scheduled a few posts for the next few days? So वो जो पोस्ट शेड्यूल की गई हैं उन पोस्ट का क्या होगा, जिस पर्सन को मैं अब हटाने वाली हूँ, है ना, उस अपने पेज से. So the thing is, if you are going to remove someone from your LinkedIn page, so whatever post, if that person is, suppose if that person was content admin and that person has scheduled 4 to 5 posts for next 4 to 5 days, so and you are the admin, like admin of that page, so all those posts, scheduled posts, will be transferred to you. So it will be like whatever post will be posted or on the very next day, so it will be from your account automatically. Like there is a say feature of it, so you need not to do anything and it won't be deleted. So like it will be posted from your account, it will be showing like posted by, and it would be your name instead of that person that you have deleted or removed like one day before. So yeah, just wanted to talk about this. So if you are going to remove somebody from your LinkedIn page, so you need not to worry about the post that you have scheduled or that person have like scheduled for next few days. So you can easily do it, because that all those posts will be transferred to your account, and then that whenever that post will be posted, it will be like posted by you. So yeah, need not to worry about. So yeah, if you like this video and if you want me to come up with any other topic, please let me know, and do subscribe my channel, like, comment, share, and also stay tuned for any other topic, like if I'm going to make videos on any topic, and if you want me to come up with any topic. So yeah, stay tuned, take care, bye bye.